Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can transfer money from PayPal to Wise. So let's get started. To begin, log into your PayPal account and select Send. Since Wise functions as a bank account, choose the Send to Bank Account option, then agree and continue. You will then be prompted to select the country where you want to send the money. Once you choose the destination country, enter your desired amount. PayPal will automatically convert the currency if needed. Click Next to proceed. On the final screen, you will need to provide your account type, account number, and routing number from your Wise account. To locate these details, log into Wise, select the currency and country you are sending to, and copy the information provided. In most cases, the account type will be checking. After entering all the required details, click Next to complete the process. Your funds will then be transferred from PayPal to Wise successfully. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.